Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live classes. Today for 8th class students we are going to discuss assignment number 44 on Surds. Okay, now let us see the first question. The rationalizing factor of 5 into root 3 minus 3 into root 2 is, if you look at, whenever you have something like a into root b minus b into some root c, it can be b or c into root d, whatever. The rationalizing factor becomes a into root b plus b into root c, vice versa. Here it can be even b or it can be a root b minus c root d. Then you can write as a root b plus c root d. Okay, there may be a confusion as you have b here must be b. It's not like that. You can have any other number. If it is like a root b minus c root d, its rationalizing factor is certainly a root b plus c root d. Why? Because if you multiply these two, the resultant becomes a rational number. The rational part will be waived off, so that one is called as rationalizing factor of the other. Now let us see the given question. So the given question, 5 root 3 minus 3 root t is given. So what is the rationalizing factor now? 5 into root 3 plus 3 into root 5 into root 3 plus 3 into root 2. That is a rationalizing factor. That is the second option. Y means we can simply do that. 5 root 3 minus 3 root 2, if at all you multiply this with 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2. See here it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So it is 5 root 3 whole square, that is a square, minus 3 root 2 whole square, that is b square. A square minus b square. It is an identity we have. Now if we simplify, 5 root 3 whole square is 25 into 3. Minus, it is 3 root 2 whole square is 9 into 2. We are going to have some result, that is nothing but 75 minus 18. So that is otherwise 15 minus 8, that is 7, and it is 6 minus 1, that is 5. 57. That is a rational number. Okay, so whenever you multiply 5 root 3 minus 3 root 2, one surd, this is one of the surds, with another surd 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2, the product of them is becoming a rational part. So for 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2, 5 root 3 minus 3 root 2 is rationalizing factor, and for 5 root 3 minus 3 root 2, 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2 is rationalizing factor, vice versa. Okay, so next, so for this the second option is the right answer. Now we will move to the next question. If root 5 minus 1 by root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 plus 1 by root 5 minus 1, that is a plus b root 5, okay, then the value of, he is asking something. So that can be simplified in this way. If you look at the given, this root 5 plus 1 is rationalizing factor of root 5 minus 1. Then what to do? Simply go for LCM. Find out the LCM. What is LCM now? Root 3 plus 1 is nothing but root 5 plus 1 times of root 5 minus 1 is root 5 whole square minus 1 square. Directly I am writing a square minus b square. Now it is nothing but root 5 minus 1 whole square minus of root 5 plus 1 whole square. That is going to be a plus b root 5. Let us further simplify. It is nothing but a minus b whole square minus a plus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square minus a plus b whole square? Minus 4ab. Or let us write it. Root 5 whole square is 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 minus of 5 minus of 1 minus 2 root 5 upon, here it is root 5 whole square is nothing but 5 minus 1, that is a plus b root 5. Now if you simplify further, here 5 plus 1 6 minus 5 minus 1 minus 6, they are cancelled. Minus 2 root 5 minus 2 root 5, that is nothing but minus 4 root 5 by 4. Minus 4 root 5 by 4. That is going to be a plus b root 5. Therefore, what you can say, 4 cancels here. If you compare the real parts and what you can, rational part and irrational part, a becomes 0. There is no rational part in this. Only we have minus root 5 irrational part. So root 5 times of b. So b is nothing but minus 1. So here b value will be minus 1. A0, b minus 1. If at all you substitute here, A0. So what do you know? This value he is asking, that is equal to A0 b minus 1. So it is 0 minus 1 into A0 b minus 1. So that is 0 minus of minus plus 1 divided by a square, that is 0, plus b square minus 1 whole square is 1. So the resultant answer is nothing but minus 1. So minus 1 is nothing but second option. Okay. Here what is important? Its simplification is important. After that it's a simple calculation. By that we get the required answer. Now let us see the next question. If 5 plus 2 root 3 by 7 plus 4 root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3, then the value of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Fine, let us do that later. First, what to do here? Here the denominator is no more existing, means it got rationalized. That's what we have to understand. The denominator is to be rationalized now. So what is the rationalizing factor of 7 plus 4 root 3 is obviously 7 minus 4 root 3. Rationalizing factor of denominator is 7 minus 4 root 3. So with that, you have to multiply and divide the given. So what you have now? Therefore, we can say 5 plus 2 root 3 into 7 minus 4 root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3 into 7 minus 4 root 3. That is going to be a plus b root 3. Okay? You are multiplying and dividing so that the value of the fraction won't change. That is the target. That implies, now if you simplify, 5 7 are 35 minus 5 into 4, that is 20 root 3. Next, plus 7 into 2, that is 14 root 3 minus 2 4s are 8 into root 3 into root 3 is nothing but 3. Okay, divided by, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is 7 square, that is 49 minus 4 root 3 whole square, 4 square is 16, root 3 square is 3, 16 3s are 48, that is going to be a plus b root 3. If you simplify further, 35 minus 8 3s are 25, that is 24, that is nothing but 11, minus 20 root 3 plus, that is minus 6 root 3, by here 49 minus 48 is nothing but 1, that is a plus b root 3. Okay, so if you compare the terms, a will become 11, that is a real rational part. B root 3 is minus 6 root 3, so b will be minus 6. So what is the resultant answer now? A we can take as 11 and b we can take as minus 6. A value is 11, b is minus 6. Now what is asking? A square plus b square plus 2ab. What is a square for us? A square is, its value we find out, a square is 121 plus b square is 36 minus 2ab. 2 into 11 into minus 6, that is nothing but 132. 2 6 are 2 11s are 22, 22 into minus 6 is minus nothing. If you simplify, what do you get? So 121 plus 36 is nothing but 157 minus 132. 17, 7 minus 2, that is 5, 5 minus 6, that is 2, nothing but 25. So here, fourth option is the right answer for this question. Okay, now we will move to the next question. If x is 5 plus root 6 by 5 minus root 6, y is 5 minus root 6 by 5 plus root 6, then the value of x plus y divided by x minus y. Anyway, we will see that later. First, let us try to find out x plus y. X plus y is 5 plus root 6 by 5 minus root 6 plus 5 minus root 6 by 5 plus root 6. Okay, so for 5 minus root 6, 5 plus root 6 is a rationalizing factor. Now we go for the LCM, that is nothing but a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. Now these two are to be multiplied, that is 5 plus root 6 whole square plus it is 5 minus root 6 whole square. If you simplify further, it is going to be a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square? 2 times of a square plus b square by 9. That is going to be 2 into, this is 31. 2 into 31 by, that is 62 by 90. That is the value of x plus y. Similarly, if we find out x minus y, that is going to be 5 plus root 6 whole square minus 5 minus root 6 whole square by 19 you will get. That is going to be 4ab, that is 4 5s are 20, 20 into 6. Okay? That is 4 into 25 into, sorry, 5 into 4ab, no? 4 into 5 into, we have root 6 by 19. That is 20 root 6 by 19. That's what we will get as x minus y. Okay? A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. 4 into a is 5. So 4 into 5 into root 6. That is 20 roots. So we have 20 root 6 by 19. This is x minus y. Now what is he asking? X plus y divided by x minus y. What is x plus y? 62 by 90 divided by, what is x minus y? 20 root 6 by 90. 20 root 6 by 90. 90 90 cancels. So we have 62, okay, by 20 root 6. So here 10 times and 31 times 2 will cancel. 31 into, here in denominator nowhere we have root 6. So let us multiply and divide with root 6. So that is root 6 by 10 into root 6 into root 6. That is 6 times of 10, that is 60. 31 into root 6 by 60 is the answer for this question. So out of the given options, fourth option is 31 into root 6 by 60. So that is the right answer. Okay. So that is the end of the assignment. Thank you. Have a good day.